Smart Robot Vacuums 2025 Comparison. iRobot Roomba J9 Plus. Ultra features smart navigation, self-emptying bin, obstacle avoidance. Pros: reliable cleaning, great app support, improved suction power. Negative: cons, pricey compared to others. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. Dist features sonic mopping, dual brush system, advanced room mapping. Pros: all-in-one dock, superb suction and mopping combo. Dock is large and takes space. Shark AI Ultra Robot. The features: matrix clean navigation, self-emptying base, home mapping. Pros: good value for money, effective pet hair cleaning. App experience not as polished as iRobot or Roborock. Ecovacs D-Bot X2 Omni. Features: mopping vacuum combo, auto mop washing, LiDAR navigation. True pros: strong mopping performance, stylish design. Cons: slightly expensive and big charging station. DreamTech L20 Ultra. Features: AI navigation, powerful suction, 7000 PA, mop lifting technology. Ultra-powerful vacuuming, intelligent floor detection. Might be an overkill for small apartments. Quick summary table. Robot name, best for, highlight feature, price range. iRobot Roomba J9 Plus, overall reliability, smart navigation, plus self-emptying, $. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, best all-rounder, sonic mop plus vacuum combo, $. Shark AI Ultra, budget-friendly pet hair cleaning, $. Ecovacs D-Bot X2 Omni, best for mopping, auto mop cleaning system, $. DreamTech L20 Ultra high-end performance, 7000 PA, ultra suction, $. Conclusion line for video. If you want the best all-in-one cleaning machine, go for Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. For budget users, Shark AI Ultra offers great value. And if you want the most premium hands-free experience, iRobot Roomba J9 Plus is unbeatable.